Guys, for some shit is back. Sorry, today there's no backdrop or anything like that. I'm just gonna do a quick how do I apply my how do I put my lashes. So you're just gonna need your lashes. You're gonna need a while I put in the pencil, because even if you don't put your lashes properly, it's not gonna be noticeable. And these are the lashes that I'm gonna be wearing. So basically you put your glue like this. When you put your glue, then all you have to do is like blow it until it dries. Like, don't let it dry completely, obviously, but like you gotta like blow it for like a good, maybe like I'll say 30 to 45 seconds. In the meantime, let me apply the second lashes glue. And by the way, guys, this is the duo. Yeah, it's the duo glue, and it's very good. And it could last for a very long time. Like, I had this for, I said a little over a year. And I wear lashes a lot. Like, a lot of times. So I think this one is almost dried. Yeah, it is almost. As you can see, the glue did dry. So now all you have to do is, like, put it right on top of your real lashes. I don't usually do this on camera, so I have an idea, but you basically just put it right on top of your lashes. I don't really like using the tweezer because it sucks sometimes. I'd rather just use my hands. Yeah. Then the second one, same thing. This one dried too, so I'm going to do the same process. Just place it right on top of my real lashes. You see it? Yeah. Let me go to like a whole different light thing so you can see it better. Like, you see it? It wasn't hard, right? Very simple. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share. Thumbs up, comment, enjoy your weekend, guys. Bye.